one place. Keep moving like a bullet train. Like a bullet train.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mad Dog Gaming here. It's with Mad Dog here. Little update video. We're gonna start uploading. Try to do like 3 times a week. We're gonna be trying to do some more GTA role plays, stuff like that. And we're gonna be doing one other thing. It's gonna be Watch Dogs. I know some of you guys want Watch Dogs. I know some of you guys don't. Go and tell me in the comment section below what you guys want and what you guys don't want. And this is aka Mad Dog here, or if you want to call me Dave, Moonshiner Dave, FBI 7213, you can. But go and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, guys. And thank you for watching, and I will get back to you guys here next couple hours.